Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you? I hope you fine. Today I have explained the JavaScript ES6 assignment concept assignment 4. Today let's explain. Section 1 is task 1 losses and fixing this. The object person name Mubin. The grid function in this grid function log my name is this dot name is Mubin. Okay, person dot grid function is called print is this dot name is mean my name is Mubin. And const grid function, this is a grid function. Person dot grid, this function stores in grid function, and grid function is called grid function dot call person. So I will show you result. Look at. Oh no. My name is Mubin. My name is, because there is no there is no any name passed. Okay, and my name is Mubin. Okay, this is a name passed. This is a person called. This is a grid called. Okay, let's task 2. Task 2 is 1.2 is function random function and call. I will show you a memory. Okay, first random function. I am showing a difference in call and dot apply. Okay, function random function is equal to get three parameters a, b and c. Console dot log a b b c c. Okay, random function dot call null because I am passing an argument, and this is 1 2 and 3. ठीक है. Okay, and random function dot apply null 4 5 and 3. The using apply I am giving a in array, and in the call use I am giving a two numbers without simple without array. Okay, showing a result 1 1 1 a b2 c3. Okay, a4 b5 c6. Okay, and I am showing result A1 B2 C3 A1 A4 B5 C6 A7 B8 C undefined A9 B10 C undefined, because there is no third one argument is passed. Okay, I am showed the result and going to 1.3 task. 1.3 task is display greeting. I showing greeting. Okay, I make the function greeting, pass the flag true and false. If true, console.log printed hello name using bind. Okay, else if there is no using bind, this is show hello this dot name, this is not bind using. Okay, display function greeting, this is without bind. This is short this line, and this is with timeout and dot bind. In this structure, the name Mubin Islam is true. This true is the reflect is true. Console.log hello this name using bind. Okay, I'm showing the result. Copy path. Hello, this is not bind using. Hello, Mubin Islam using bind. Okay, the this comma is disturbing me. Remove this. And that's section 1 is completed. Section 2 is 2.1 closure proof. This is function create counter. I am create counter, let counter initial value 0, return a function get one parameter count plus plus console.log count count value and message. Let counter create counter function is equals to in set in my variable my counter past first call is in message my counter second call in message my counter third call in passed in message is saved the memory in this variable. Let another counter I am create another counter using this function, and this is a different memory, this is different memory, this is different memory. Another counter first call to another counter, second call to another counter. Okay, in both are different memories. He has three values, he has two values. Okay, I'm showing result. Look at there, first call, second call, third call, 1 2 3 counter is updated, three, but another function is called, a counter is resetted and set one, first call to another counter, second call to another counter. Okay, task 2 create counter. Okay, but there is different. Let count initial values, this is same to 2.1. Okay, and count a is equal count creator, count b is equal count create counter. Okay, count b, count a, count is a, and then count is b, then a, again a, count is a, then b, count is b. The value is in store in variables. This is counter A, this is counter A 1 2, this is counter B 1, this is counter B third, this is counter B is 2. Okay, 2 is completed. This is third 3.1 app.js. I am using a class user constructor get two parameter name and age, this dot name this dot at age. User dot I am using without promise and another cheese without ES6 purpose. Okay, this is simple. User dot prototype dot grid equals to function, and return, this is return my name is this dot name Mubin and I am this dot age years old. Okay, this is a variable user dot name and using a this class, this is this class constructor. Okay, new user name and age, user 2 new user name and age, user 3 new user name and age. Okay, console name 1 dot greet, I am console greet. For result is my name is Mubin and I am 19-year-old. Okay, and this is separate unique names, user 1 dot name, user 2 dot name, user 3 dot name, and this is user 1 dot greet equals to user 2 dot greet, this is equals true, and user 2 is equals to greet equals to user 3 dot greet, this is equals to this is, result is true. Get there, look at here. My name is Mubin and I am 19 years old. My name is Zahir and I am 20 years old. My name is Awais and I am 23 years old. Mubin Zahir Awais. This status is true. Okay, 3.2. This is same function but I use in this ES6 user. The constructor is same and thing is added is grade function. I am write a grade function without function keyword. Grade function is created and return the same values. I am read previous project and user one this like all, this is why this is same, this is some same, but this changes prototype is changed. Okay, this is the result is this, but I am using in ES6. The result is same and there is no issue. Okay, 3.3 is name class name. Look at there, look at carefully. class animal, constructor name, this dot name. Okay, speak function. Okay, console dot log this dot name, animal name, make a sound. Okay, class dog extend animal, this is using, this class is creating using extend animal. This is a parent, this is a child. Constructor name breed. Okay, this is a dog type. Okay, this name, this is genes type, like this. Okay, super, so I am create super using super function in passing a name. Okay, and this dot breed is equal to speak, console dot log this dot name barks. Okay, I'm created a variable cat and using new animal white cat. Okay, white cat is my favorite. And dog one name is equals to new dog name is Tommy, and this is a golden dog. Okay, cat dog speak is printed make a sound. Dog one dot speak, this created a, this is show the dog golden dog, and no, Tommy barks. Okay, I'm showing result, copy path and paste here. Look at here, white cat makes sound and Tommy barks. Are you understand? I'm going to section 4. Section 4.1 is console dot start from there, this is starting here, and normal function is normal function, but set timeout, set timeout execute and last, execute on last. Okay, look at this, start from 3 first, this is, and call normal function, ignore this, ignore code is ignored this, call the normal function, this is printer normal function, and this printer, and from there, and last run this set timeout and show set timeout callback. Okay, copy path and look at here, paste, start from there normal function, and from there, and set time is callback in executed last. Look at there, line number 8, line number 8, okay, there, line number 8. Okay, 4.2 is function nested callback. I am created a count and max count function. I can explain. The nested callback is max count is 5, initial count is 1. Console if count is greater than max count, then reach max count value and return close the function and break. But this value is false, count is less than max out, then print this line count, initial count, write count value, and count max count, timestamp, new date. I am using new date. Okay, here timestamp I am not clear, and I have issue some problems, but I created new date using new date. Okay, and set timeout function, set timeout nested callbacks, count plus, but this is a count plus 1, not there, this is a here, if this is a remainder, and max count, I'm passing a max count. Okay, the value is in the function is called again, and check condition and call again, then value is 5, and either 5, then function is run this line and return. Okay, I'm showing you result, copy path, this count 1, count 2, count 3, count 4, count 5, reach max count is 5. Okay, and I am use in promise in this. Okay, I will explain you. Nested promise, I pass initial value count is 1 and max value count is 6. Function nested promise count max count. return new promise. This is return a promise. In promise, two parameter is resolve and reject. And if count, this is a same condition, but this is this is this is completed, then resolve function is called. Okay, console.log, this is same, and set timeout, this is same, but nested promise count max count dot then resolve dot catch reject. Okay, this is passing through promise, and I will get look at there carefully, not semicolon here. I am using dot then and console all concept counts is completed dot catch if any error to console error dot error. Okay, I am show result. Count 1, count 2, count 3, count 4, count 5, count 6, and this max reach max value 6, all counts complete. Okay, and I am going to set final section. Final project is task manager. I will consider a task manager. My sir is giving me task. The class task manager I am using constructor. First initial value task is empty array. This is first task. Second list task. This is third run task. Okay, I am explain you. A task user gets a name, task name, time, and task now. Okay, task.push the structure and push them in array. Console task name edit. The task edit is completed. Task list. Console simple. This task is task. I am console this task. This dot run task function is console task is running, and task for I am using for each get the task, and set I am setting a set timeout because I am getting a time. Console download task num, this is task num, task 1 passing from here, and task completed, and time duration is time task dot time. Okay, I'm create a variable and assign this task manager Sir Talal give me a task, and task is create JS file in 2 seconds. Okay, task 1, Sir Talal ordered me can write the code in 1 second. Task 2, Sir Talal ordered me push on GitHub in 3 seconds. Task 3, Sir Talal's getting a list task. Sir Talal getting a doing a run task. I am showing you result. This is the result. Task created. Task write the code edit. Task push on GitHub edit. This is all task. Look at your task, and task is running. Task 2 completed, task 1 completed, and last GitHub push completed. I am explaining you all this. Okay, please subscribe, like my channel, and support me for big YouTuber and big big coder and big startup. Okay, I see you in next. You see me in next video. Allah Hafiz. Okay, Allah Hafiz.